Hello, are you Alex? Yes, that's me.
Hello, are you my ride-sharing driver?
Yes, I'm your driver. Welcome.
Can you confirm my destination?
Yes, you are going to Central Hotel. Hello, are you available for a ride? Yes, please come in. Where would you like to go? Can you take me to the airport? Sure, I can take you there. How long will the trip take? It will take about 30 minutes. Can you help me with my luggage? Of course, I'll put it in the trunk. Is there enough space for 2 bags? Yes, there is plenty of space. Can I keep this small bag with me? Yes, you can keep it inside.
Did I leave my phone in your car?
Let me check the back seat.
Did you find anything there?
Yes, your phone is here.
Can I get it back now?
Of course, here you are.
How much will the ride cost?
It will be around $20.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, card payment is available.
Is the price including all fees?
Yes, everything is included. Can we take another route? Sure, which way would you prefer? Can we avoid the traffic area? Yes, I'll take a faster road. Will it save more time? Yes, it should be quicker.
Can we stop at this store, please?
Yes, I can stop here for you.
Can you wait for 5 minutes?
Sure, I'll wait outside.
Will there be an extra charge?
No, a short stop is fine.
How long until we arrive?
We will arrive in about 15 minutes.
Is there heavy traffic today?
Yes, the roads are a little busy. Can you turn up the air conditioner? Sure, I'll make it cooler. Can you close the window, please? Of course, no problem. Is the temperature okay for you? Yes, it's perfectly fine. Are we already at the hotel? Yes, we have arrived. How much do I need to pay? Your total fare is $15. Can I get a receipt, please? Sure, here is your receipt. Are you heading to Riverside Hotel? Yes, that's the destination in my app. Would you mind taking the fastest route? Of course, I'll avoid heavy traffic. How long should the trip take? Around 20 minutes. Could we take a different route? Certainly. You'd prefer? Can we avoid the highway? Yes, I'll use the city streets instead. Will it take much longer? Only a few extra minutes.
Would it be possible to make a quick stop?
Certainly. Where would you like to stop?
There's a pharmacy just ahead.
No problem. I'll pull over there.
Will the app allow an extra stop?
Yes, you can add it in the app. Are you Alex? Yes, thanks for finding me. Were you waiting near the entrance 4? That's right. Shall we get going? Yes, let's head out.
We've arrived at your destination.
Could you stop near the main entrance? Would you like help with your luggage? Yes, I'd appreciate that. Is everything with you? Yes, I have everything.
Is traffic always this heavy?
Mostly during rush hour.
Do you think we'll arrive on time?
We should make it without any problem.
Is there another shortcut available?
I'll check the GPS for the quickest option.
Has it been raining all day?
Since early this morning.
Does the weather usually affect traffic?
Quite a bit, especially downtown.
Hopefully it clears up later.
The forecast says it should improve this evening.
Would you mind turning up the air conditioner?
Not at all. Is this temperature okay?
Could it be a little cooler?
Sure, I'll lower it a bit.
Thank you for that.
You're very welcome. Is the fare charged automatically? Yes, it's linked to your account. Can I leave a tip through the app? Absolutely, after the ride ends. Will I receive a digital receipt? Yes, it'll be emailed to you.
Do you know any good local restaurants nearby?
There's an excellent sea place downtown.
Is it popular with locals?
Yes, it's one of the city's favorites.
Would you recommend making a reservation?
Definitely during dinner hours.